The greatest affiliate marketing tips on the internet. There's a lot of software and other so-called tools you can purchase in order to boost your affiliate marketing campaign, but before you go dropping your money on any business assist, you should first learn some solid principles of the genre at large. Watch this video and find out what you may be missing about affiliate marketing. A blog will be a regular way for you to interact with visitors, customers, and anyone who is involved in your field. A blog sets you up as an expert and allows you to get feedback from the people that you want to buy your product or service. Stay connected to the audience by being communicative on message boards. Listen to the opinions of the readers and get to know what they are looking for. Affiliate marketers should understand the changing desires of the audience by constantly researching their current needs and adding popular choices to the website. Test the product. The only real way for you to know if you want this product to be affiliated with you is to try it out. Saying you know something works because you have tried it is much more trustworthy and reliable than saying you read about it on their website. Do not fall for schemes from so-called experts in the field who want to sell you on their affiliate marketing products. Believe it or not, every single piece of information you need to know about marketing can be found free of charge from multiple places online. The only benefit of a purchase program is that it gives you the information without searching. You will find a lot of affiliate marketing material online available for free, so always remember to sign up for multiple newsletters and e-zines. You are not necessarily looking to copy the moves other people are making or to follow someone else's path verbatim, but you can find some great inspiration. Being helpful to your readers is always a good idea. Don't just list your favorite movies, write a detailed review of what you liked and why. When you take the time to make your writing helpful to others, you will be rewarded because they will tend to come back to you many times. Affiliate marketing remains one of the most solid web opportunities currently available. That doesn't mean that you are guaranteed to make money, however, and it certainly doesn't mean that any program will do the work for you. As you watch here, affiliate marketing is a serious and legitimate opportunity that takes a hands-on approach. It's about information, not automation. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.